Are your thumbnails like really ugly? Or plain? Or you don't know how to start making a good clickable thumbnail? You've seen thumbnails, they're on every single YouTube video to ever exist. And today I'll be teaching you how I make my thumbnails. Because why not? Firstly, know what you're making the thumbnail for. You can't blindly make a thumbnail. Anyways, I'm going to be making a thumbnail for another one of my videos I'm making. Rhythm Hive Beginner Guide. All you need to know. Also, don't mind the movie in the corner. And YouTube, please don't copyright me. It's not shown that much. Anyways, you're going to open Canva, and the apps you will need to make my type of thumbnails are Canva, Pinterest, and any background remover. So after opening your Canva on the side, click Create. Go to the search bar and type YouTube, then just click YouTube Thumbnail. Now go to Pinterest and find a background, or if you already have one, just skip this part. Since this will just be the background for your thumbnail, it doesn't need to be so detailed. Don't put idols in the background unless they're the topic you're talking about. Other than that, keep it classy simple. This is a good one. Once you found your background image, download it. Go back into Canva and import the background image. Once it's done, drag it onto your space. Then go to Edit Tools, See All. Then click Blur. Well, hurry up! Click whole image and set the intensity to however you like. Just blur it to the point to when you add the other stuff, the background will act as something that glows everything. Or just make it so the background isn't so noticeable. I personally like to set it through 30 to 45. Now it's time for the most fun but exhausting part, finding our idol to use on our thumbnail. When it comes to this, avoid pictures like this. They should never be close to the camera, nor should any body parts be cut off or anything they're holding. When you follow these two simple rules, these are photos you should be left with. Very clean. Once you got your picture, go to the background remover website or app. The one I use is Clipping Magic, it's very good. Then choose your photo and boom, magic is done. Download it, then go back to your Canva and import the picture into Canva. Adjust it to your liking, but it should be big or noticeable. Let's give it some time. I was watching turning red in the corner. Anyways, this is optional, but it makes it stand out more. Go to Edit. Scroll all the way down and then click Glow and adjust it to your liking. And then go to Text, click one of the three options they give you, and write a text with it. Like, for example, if it's a controversy video, write something like harsh, or if you're giving tips, write something that viewers may be questioning before watching your video. Adjust the text to your liking, font, color, effects, or follow me. This is optional, but if you are playing a game in the video, I suggest adding the game's picture on the thumbnail. Now start decorating. I'll just summarize it, so if the image you are trying to add has a background, remove it by using the background remover software. And always add a tad of glow or shadow behind all the elements you add. Oh, my bad. Just gotta switch my movie on a totally legal website. Anywho. And layering is also a huge thing when it comes to thumbnails, so always make sure you're satisfied with your layering and make sure it looks good. Does anyone remember when they were shipping Luca and Alberto? I thought it was ridiculous to ship two children, but they were totally signs. Anyways, I have nothing else to say. So just follow my steps. and also use the eye-catching color for your main text. Did I already say that? I like to add lighting rays and glitter to kind of make it pop out more or lighten it. I don't really know. I just like to dip. Ta-da! Okay, bye. Subscribe if you want to.
Together.